Master your goals. Top 5 planning techniques in management, from strategy to execution. Welcome back to the channel. Every successful business, every thriving project, and every effective team has one thing in common: great planning. Without a solid plan, even the best ideas can falter. Planning is the cornerstone of effective management, yet many businesses struggle to turn vision into reality. In this video, we'll unveil the top 5 planning techniques in management that every leader and aspiring manager needs to master. From setting clear objectives to tactical execution, learn how to build robust plans that drive success and achieve your strategic goals. Planning isn't just about making lists, it's about anticipating the future, allocating resources, setting clear objectives, and ultimately, ensuring your vision becomes a reality. Today, we are diving into the 5 most powerful planning techniques in management that will transform how you lead and achieve your goals. Let's get started. Technique 1. SWOT Analysis, Strategic Foundation. Before you plan what to do, you need to understand where you are. That's where SWOT analysis comes in. S. Strengths, internal capabilities and resources that give you an advantage. Example, strong brand, skilled team. W. Weaknesses, internal limitations that put you at a disadvantage. Example, outdated tech, limited budget. O. Opportunities, external factors you can leverage for growth. Example, new market trend, competitors' misstep. T. Threats, external factors that could harm your business. Example, new regulations, economic downturn. How it helps planning. It provides a clear picture of your internal state and external environment, helping you build plans that capitalize on strengths, opportunities, and mitigate weaknesses, threats. Technique 2. SMART Goals, Objective Setting. Once you know where you are, you need to define where you're going with clear, actionable goals. That's the power of SMART goals. S. Specific, what exactly needs to be achieved. M. Measurable, how will you track progress and know when it's done. A. Achievable, is it realistic and attainable given resources? R. Relevant, does it align with broader organizational goals? T. Time-bound, when will it be completed? Set a deadline. How it helps planning. SMART goals transform vague aspirations, grow the business into concrete objectives, increase market share by 15% in Q3 2024 by launching X product. This forms the backbone of any effective plan. Technique 3. Gantt charts, project and timeline management. Now that you have your goals, you need a visual roadmap to execution. Gantt charts are indispensable for project planning. Visual timeline, a bar chart that illustrates a project schedule. Tasks and dependencies, shows individual tasks, their start and end dates, and how tasks relate to each other. Example, task B can't start until task A is finished. Resource allocation can also show who is responsible for each task. Progress tracking, easily track actual progress against the planned schedule. How it helps planning. It breaks down complex projects into manageable steps, highlights potential bottlenecks, and provides a clear, shared understanding of the project timeline for the entire team. Technique 4. Scenario planning, risk and contingency. The future is unpredictable. Great planning isn't just about one plan, it's about being prepared for multiple possibilities. This is scenario planning. Concept, developing multiple plausible future scenarios. Example, best case, worst case, most likely case. Strategic questions. What if X happens? How would we respond if Y shifts? Identify drivers. Focus on key uncertainties. Example, market demand, regulatory changes, technology shifts. How it helps planning. It builds organizational resilience, allows for proactive contingency plans, and prevents being caught off guard by unexpected events. You're planning for flexibility, not just a single outcome. Technique 5. Rolling wave planning, agile adaptability. In today's fast-paced world, rigid long-term plans can become obsolete quickly. Rolling wave planning brings an agile approach to management. Concept: detailed planning for the near term, high-level planning for the mid-term, and very high-level planning for the long term. Iterative process: as the project progresses, the high-level plans for the mid-term become detailed, incorporating new information and lessons learned. Benefit: allows for continuous adaptation and refinement. How it helps planning. It balances the need for a vision with the reality of changing environments. It's especially effective in dynamic industries like tech, where requirements can shift rapidly. Conclusion and call to action. Effective planning isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, it's a toolkit. By mastering these 5 techniques, SWOT, SMART goals, Gantt charts, scenario planning, and rolling wave planning, you can lead your teams with confidence, navigate uncertainty, and consistently achieve your strategic objectives. Which of these planning techniques do you find most challenging or most effective in your own work? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more management insights, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.